Managing team permissions in teamwork.com is essential for organizing your projects and ensuring that everyone has access to the right information. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes. You'll understand how to create the best structure for your team while keeping your workflows smooth and efficient. Stick around because I'll also show you how to unlock an extended free trial of teamwork.com through the first link below so you can test everything yourself. Once you're logged into Teamwork, go to your project's settings. From there, navigate to the People tab where you can see all the team members involved. You'll have the option to adjust permissions for each person depending on their role in the project. This means you can give your team members different levels of access based on what they need to do. If someone only needs to view the project, you can assign them as a viewer. For someone who needs to manage tasks but not make administrative changes, you can set them as a contributor. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into permissions for team admins. Teamwork gives you flexibility here. Admins can manage tasks, edit details, and make changes to the structure of the project. But if you want someone to have control over the project without giving them full administrative rights, the manager permission is ideal. Managers can edit, assign tasks, and manage resources, but they can't delete or change project settings. This makes it perfect for team leads who need authority, but not total control. What's great about Teamwork is the ability to customize permissions for individual tasks, lists, and even milestones. Let's say you have a sensitive part of the project, like financials or personal details. You can restrict access to only specific people. You'll also want to assign permissions for calendar views, files, and even the ability to comment. This helps create a customized experience where everyone on the team only sees what they need to see and nothing more. Teamwork also allows you to set permissions for external clients or partners. You can invite them into your project, but limit their access to specific tasks, documents, or conversations. This is great if you want to keep clients informed without giving them full access to everything going on in the project. One last feature I'll mention before we wrap up is the ability to manage permissions at the team level. If you're managing multiple projects, you'll want to ensure that certain permissions carry over across the entire team. You can set default permissions for all new projects, so you don't have to repeat this setup every time you start something new. This will save you time and ensure that your team members are always aligned with the right access. Don't forget, if you're looking to try Teamwork for free, you can use the exclusive link below to get an extended trial. It's a perfect opportunity to experiment with these permissions yourself, and it's completely risk-free. Managing your team's permissions can significantly improve how your projects run. You'll ensure the right people have the right access, which will help avoid confusion, save time, and reduce errors. Thanks for watching.